Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Non Fungible Show. Today, we're going to discuss upcoming NFT projects, new NFT projects, Solana NFT, and Nickelodeon NFT. Yes, it's a lot of NFT, and that's why it's called the Non Fungible Show. So let's kick off this week with Nickelodeon NFT and the Rugrats and Hey Arnold. Don't tell me you've never heard of those. Oh, maybe if you're a millennial or you're born after, let's say, 2010 or 2015. I don't even know if it's possible, right? Those animated series are legend. It's impossible to that you've never seen them. They're launching NFT. Quite interesting, right? It's really those big franchise that are now trying to go Web3, but uh, let's see what they're doing. The drop happened a bit than a month ago, if I'm right. It was possible to register. Then I forgot a bit about it, and now I know they are live. So as you can see here, they have a marketplace, so you can now buy their NFT. I know they are on OpenSea as well, and you can claim some slime. So there is a gamification behind it that is quite interesting because you have some challenges that you can complete. So by buying an NFT, not financial advice, by the way, right? You have to be careful, especially with those franchise, because they are launching NFTs, but the utilities there, it's more a game, right? They're giving you quests. So here, as you can see, you can claim some mashups. So you need to collect slimes to then be able to have a limited rewards here. So as you can see, there's 500 in total, and there's only you need 10 slimes to claim those mashups. There's so I haven't tried it yet, but if you've done it already, please leave a comment below in the video. Let me know what you think about those projects. I mean, for me, it's my childhood, so I'd like to try. On the other hand, the utility for me it's still limited. It's still just a game. That's why I would be careful. If you buy those NFTs, it's really because you love it, but you're not expecting any increase in terms of pricing. Of course, we don't have to be there just for the profit, but you also have to put the price in front of the utility. So yeah, please let me know if you've tried. I wanted to discuss today Solana NFT. As you know, there are like two big blockchains. Still, I think more than 60 or 70% of the volume is happening on Ethereum and OpenSea. On Solana, there's a growing community around NFT. So I'm on the website called June, so june.com. And if you do a research, you can easily find those dashboards that are built by users. So it's really nice. And regarding Solana, there's one marketplace that really stands out, and it's called Magic Eden. As you can see, the number of Solana NFT traders over time kept growing. So based on those data, we are close to 700,000 cumulative traders. So that's a quite big number. Please verify those numbers, right? Because those are public dashboards, so we should verify. But anyway, I know from different sources that this number is growing day to day. And as you can see, Magic Eden, it's just like OpenSea equal Ether. Magic Eden equals Solana. So all the NFT, the best collection are traded on Magic Eden. So if you are looking at good project, that's where you should start. Looking at what are the best collection, where the volumes are. And thanks to this dashboard, we can really see that even if OpenSea now accept Solana, we still have the volume on the original Magic Eden Sol marketplace. And by the way, they are opening up to Ethereum as well. So I saw news on Decrypt this week. And if OpenSea will try to get some of the Solana volume, no, Magic Eden is trying to get some volume of Ethereum. And a super important note is that they want to incentivize some of the big collection on Ethereum to go to Magic Eden by reducing the fees. So I think they will start with Bored Apes, sorry. And if you're a Bored Ape holder, you will have less fees selling on Magic Eden, with the ape token. So they are also trying to take the liquidity of certain token on the Ethereum blockchain. I just check out, you'll quickly find the news. Moving to the marketplace itself. So this is Magic. You have a launch pad. So if you go to the launch pad, you will have upcoming project. It's minting basically. So you can get them at the mint price. And then if you click, of course, on a popular collection, you will see all the most traded. So as always, I try to check the volume first, because for me, that's what is really important. And as you can see, OK Bears is on top of it. So OK Bears, it's kind of what Bored Ape is to Ethereum. On Solana, you have OK Bears. That's the biggest collection with a floor price of actually a 55 Sol and 5.5K owners with a 10K supply. That's not bad. Like, you have in average, so one wallet owns 2 OK Bears. The gods, I don't know much about this collection, but yeah, it's pretty famous on Solana. Degenerate Ape Academy. This is an interest. Wow, look at the volume. It's quite interesting, right? It's really popping the volume on that collection. Something might be happening. Tripping Ape Tribe. I don't know about that one, so let's jump on something I've never heard of. By the way, just moving back, let's see. So the volume is up, so there's a decent volume, more than 500K Sol, above 9 Sol for the floor price. Oh, this is interesting. This is not something you see a lot. So there's almost as much owners than the supply, meaning very few people own more than one. So let's have a look at it. Oh, it's ape, of course. That's crazy, right? Just aping, guys. Not financial advice. I don't own any, by the way. And let's check the activity to start. So I always check this to see if what was exchanged at what price. So we can see there's quite a lot of exchanges those past hours. And the analytics on Magic Eden, it's pretty cool. So we can see the floor price. If I look the floor price, oh yeah, it went down. So that would be interested to see what was the min price. If it's below min price, well, there's a lot of trade, a lot of people holding it. Might be interesting to deep dive into that project. There is a promote as well. So this one, yeah, be careful. There's a lack of liquidity on collections, right? So let's see on a daily basis. But yeah, I like this view. I think it's for me, it's better than just a trend line. You even have the RSI and the listing. And yeah, that's what you can do on Magic Eden. And if you scroll down, you have all the trades that happen on a daily basis. You have the distribution, so the price and the rarity rank. You have the price in Sol, and you have the top orders. That's where I wanted to check, because it seems like very few. So there's still quite a few people who are holding a couple of them, but as you can see, in average, yeah, this is just an average, right? So unique holders, 96%. That's super interesting. I'll have a deeper look at it, but yeah, that's Tripping Ape Tribe. That's it for Magic Eden. So if you look at Solana collection, you can start there. Not financial advice, guys. Always do your own research. Check out their Discord, their Twitter. Yeah, do your own research. With that being said, let's move on to the next topic of the day. So now let's talk about Astro Must. It's a play to mint game. So this is the new NFT project I wanted to cover today. Super interesting. They are doing a play to mint, and it's the first NFT will be free to mint. That's awesome. Super disruptive and innovative, in my opinion. I don't know. Maybe when you will see this video, might be too late to get into the free mint, but you will have other occasion to jump into the project. If you want to, don't if you don't want to miss this opportunity in the future, make sure you follow the SwissBorg Twitter, make sure you follow SwissBorg's NFT collection, make sure you follow Xborg's as well, because we are sharing a lot of that type of project, because we share those with the whole community. And if you were a premium user, you also get exclusive advantages with this project. It's a free to mint, so you just play, go through the first level of the game, and you'll be able to mint your first robot. So the way it's gonna work, you can check the video. I love the gameplay. To be honest, there are so many NFT project where you have nothing, and with them you already have the game. It's there, and they haven't minted the NFT yet. So that show that they sorry, I'm so excited about this project. It's hard to find the right words, but I'm super excited about this project, because when you give me an NFT, then I can get into the project, I see what you're going to deliver, and then at the end, if I want to mint the real NFT, I'll be free to do so. As you can see here, you'll be level 1 when you mint your first robot. Then you move to different levels. So from recruit to first officer, second officer, and then at the end, you can become a lieutenant. It's super cool because you'll move from level 1 to level 2 to level 3 to level 4. What you can do is, what you can't do, sorry, it's non-tradable until you reach level 4. That's how they will engage the community as well and build the game. But I really like the concept, so go check it out. It's called Astro Must. You can find them on Twitter, on Discord, of course. And if you've done the beta already, see you for the mint. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to put a thumbs up to support the show. And very important, leave a comment below. Let me know what project I should cover next week. With that being said, don't forget to stay unfungible and see you next week. Ciao.